XLM has been certainly gaining a ton of traction. So Stellar Lumens has gained some noteworthy endorsements from some major entities. So we're going to talk about what that is in this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's jump into it here. So Stellar Lumens price surges on United Nations and World Bank endorsements. So we're going to talk a little bit about that and take a look at what's in store, not most likely, but potentially in store for the price from here. So endorsements from the United Nations and World Bank is something that is quite noteworthy. The price of XLM surged by 106% in the last 7 days and a massive 188% over the past 2 weeks. This thing has been absolutely crushing it. Today, as of right now, the recording of this video, it is the number one gainer in the top 100 cryptocurrencies. The price movement has significantly outpaced Bitcoin as well. There's a ton of volume coming in for XLM, and the price has moved very, very drastically. High profile collaborations have fueled the price increase. A key factor behind the surge is the recent partnership with MasterCard. So that has sparked a ton of interest in the price and in the coin, and an endorsement by the United Nations as a part of its vision for a new global financial system has also been a catalyst. So anytime any of these major entities kind of talk about certain cryptos, I mean, it's something that we do pay attention to. The World Bank's recognition of XLM as part of a transformative two-tier monetary system is basically something that they have been talking about. XRP Ripple has also been talked about handling institutional liquidity for cross-border payments, where XLM focuses more on enabling peer-to-peer remittances. So the World Bank says it takes two to tango and only mentions XRP and XLM in the context of a two-tier monetary system. So this is good for both coins, right? It is, obviously XRP more on the institutional side and XLM on the front, basically the user side, right? World Bank has lauded XLM for its low cost and efficiency transaction model, particularly beneficial for users without access to traditional banking services. So that's something that we talk about in crypto all the time, because there is a number of people still in this world that do not have access to traditional banking services. And that's a bit of an issue. And I mean, if some of these companies can reach some of those individuals and help them kind of be a little bit more financially inclusive, then that is definitely a big factor and is a good thing for the world itself. So the technicals are pointing that to we could face a sharp correction. The RSI spiked to about 87, so it's very high right now. Anything over like the 70 mark, you start getting into oversold territory, and 87 is definitely really, really up there. XLM is also 142% above its 50-week and 200-week EMAs, which is a clear sign that a revision could occur. So, sometimes as fast as these things go up, we could also see, a potential pullback. And, sometimes, like, that's why I always like to say I like to see a bit of a correction in between, go up a bit, have a bit, or not a correction, sorry, it's consolidation. You go up a bit and it kind of goes sideways for a little bit and just kind of gains that support level, and then it goes up again. When we see these explosive upward movements, that's when they crash a little bit harder. Am I saying it's going to crash? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. However, it's potential, right? The many technical analysts anticipate a potential retest of the 16.24 support level. That could trigger a temporary reversal before the price resumes its upward movement. So, if you're wondering, am I too late getting into XLM? I don't think so. I think that, this thing still has a ton of room to grow. We're still 63% away from all-time high. I'm not saying it's going to reach all-time high again, but I mean, if it has the potential that, these endorsements are basically saying it does, I mean, this thing, we don't know how high it could really go. 7 years ago, it made its all-time high at about 93 cents. So, I mean, it's still very, very, very low from that point. So there still could be a ton of money to be made there. We're going to take a look. Market cap's around 10 billion. So, I mean, that's pretty decent, right? Still a ton of room really to grow from there. So, if this thing got up to be, the price of XRP, even not the price, but the market capitalization of XRP, this thing could be priced much, much, much higher. So I just want to keep you guys updated what's going on with XLM, why it's moving so hard, because I know a number of times we'll look and we'll see, holy crap, why is that thing going so hard? But that's what it's coming from. Major endorsements and major partnerships are coming their way. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.